9.85 for McCartan is a great score. How about what Washington's doing on the beam? Look at their last three scores. Fector, Northey, and McCartan. And now Janae Janik to finish up. Janik has won the balance beam a couple of times this year already. A 9.9 at North Carolina State. A 9.85 in the home opener against Kentucky. And again, this is the local LA kid. She had a 9.8 on floor just a few minutes ago. Also had a 9.825 on bars.
Clean routine so far. Nice combination side aerial. Dismounted gainer peg off the end. Beautiful set.
At least Ray likes it. First one there. That should finish the program for Washington. Waiting for the score on Hallie Mosette. Good scores for Washington on the balance beam. Something to build on.